But it's something that needs to be done. Yes, there's other ways of disposing it, but this is the way that was recommended to us. We take it off the streets. It makes it a little bit safer for all of us. Some of them are from recent raids. Some of them are old cases as well. Yeah, those little envelopes contain, it could be seeds. Yeah, but those things there are from recent cases and also some old cases. We still have some pending cases. There's always cases. There's continuously we get cases, so there's going to be more as well. Yeah, as soon as the Attorney General's office is done with it, then we dispose of it. We'd like to dispose of it a little bit sooner. Maybe them come and weigh it, take photographs, so we can dispose of it. Because the longer it hangs around our facility, things happen. So I don't want things to happen. I'd rather get rid of it right away. They get the information they need, and we dispose of it right away, or somebody disposes of it. I don't like this stuff hanging around. But according to procedure right now, we have to wait until the AG's done with their investigation, their court cases, then we can dispose of it. Ideally, get rid of it as soon as possible.